morning, welcome back. I'm Rihanna, and today I am actually at my in-laws' house, which is why the kitchen is significantly larger than you have ever seen me in. My mother-in-law is taking care of some family things today, so I'm gonna try to be helpful and get this salsa ready to can. She's got piles of tomatoes sitting on the porch that need to be taken care of. So while she's away, we will see what we can get done. I have not actually made salsa before, so this will be a new experience for me. I have grandma's favorite salsa recipe on the fridge, and I haven't even read through it yet. So wish me luck, and we will see how much we can get done today. So I almost packed an apron, and then I was like, no, Rihanna, don't be ridiculous. You do not need to bring an apron to go to your mother-in-law's house for the weekend. Like, that's crazy. And now I can't find one, and I am second guessing all of my life choices, and I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to make something. Just whip one up on the sewing machine. She's got a whole sewing room, by the way. That wouldn't be crazy. There's gotta be an apron in this house somewhere. Okay, it's supposed to make 10 pints. Let's see, we're going to peel, chop, and drain tomatoes. Combine all ingredients in a large pot and bring to a boil. That seems simple enough, but she said something about roasting the tomatoes. Peeling tomatoes, okay. Cut them in half and place them cut side down on a large baking sheet. Broil them for 3 to 4 minutes until the skins begin to pucker. Then the skins will wrinkle and peel right off. We're gonna chop up onion, bell pepper, Anaheim pepper, jalapeños, garlic, cumin, pepper, salt, cilantro. We do not have all the ingredients for this, so we're gonna have to go to the store first, which gives me plenty of time to make an apron, and then we'll be ready to go. We can get the tomatoes prepped. What, baby? Mine. Your duck hawk is right there. I found an apron. It was hiding in her bedroom. Hey, tomatoes. So we're just gonna slice them up, cram them onto this pan. I wish I could grow things the way she does. And I know that a lot of that is location. You know, Central Oregon is just not the valley. And my garden will never be hers, and that is okay. But man, just look at all these tomatoes. Hashtag goals, y'all. Here we go. I want you guys to come peel 1 tomato, at least. You can do more if you want.
Yay! Yay! This one was really good. Is there any more of this skin on it?
I think you got it. Here you go, Riley. Here's another one.
Thank you. Another one for me. Are these going to be smashed?
No, the idea.
Potatoes?
No, they're not going to be mashed. They're not going to be mashed tomatoes. They're going to be salsa.
Salsa?
Mm-hmm.
Here's another one for me?
Mm-hmm. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, may go faster. Got it.
I'm now chopping up these tomatoes so that I can measure out 10 cups. And I don't think that the uniformity of the chops is super important because we're going to cook everything up anyway. So it's just a quick rough chop. All right, I'm gonna get everything tossed into the food processor here in a minute. So I've got 3 cups of onions, 5 jalapeños that I just split in half and took the seeds out of. I've got 7 garlic cloves, and 2/3 of a cup of cilantro. Oh, and the bell pepper, and the Anaheim pepper. Okay, this is something to peel. There we go. I didn't smash it hard enough. Okay, everything is in the food processor.
Mom is mom.
This is the problem with food processors. You end up with like the stuff at the bottom just getting
Mushed.
yeah, and then the stuff at the top
Is not getting cut.
You're right.
Yeah, I 100% agree.
I love my food processor, but I always overfill it. Still recording, by the way. So just be aware that you might be in the background.
I'll just make sure not to pick my nose.
Okay. Don't like take your shirt off or anything. Okay, so I need to drain the tomatoes. I'm gonna do that. All right, tomatoes. 2.5 teaspoons of cumin. 2.5 teaspoons of pepper. 2.5 tablespoons of canning or pickling salt. Okay, there's 1/3 of a cup of sugar in there that you didn't see, but it's there, just trust me. My phone ran out of storage again for the 2nd time today, because that's how it goes. 1.25 cups of apple cider vinegar. It's a lot of vinegar, but it's a lot of salsa. All right, and then the tomato paste, it says is optional, but she made a point of telling me where it was, so I'm guessing she wants it in there. Okay, bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Next up is washing jars. Super fun. Okay, I had a wardrobe change because I went for a run, because I'm healthy like that. And I'm gonna finish getting these jars filled real quick. We're just doing a water bath, so I'm using a pressure canner because that's what I have available, but it doesn't have to actually be pressure canned. It's just a water bath processed for 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna fill the jars, almost full, not quite. Leave them a little bit of space. This salsa ended up being very chunky, which is good. I'll throw a little bit more in that one. Well, I don't think we're gonna get 2 more pints out of this. So it only made 8. I can do math. It made 8 pints instead of 10, but that's okay. We have plenty more tomatoes if we decide we want to make more. Lids are on, and then we're just gonna ring them up. And they're ready to go. Ah, mama. Right here, look. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. We got the 8 jars of salsa done. They feel, this one hasn't sealed quite yet, but it just came out of the canner. So whew, everything's a mess. We just finished dinner. I've still got the whole pan of tomatoes that I did too much of to take care of. And so there's a lot still to do, but you don't have to be here for that. Lucky you. I'm gonna get cleaned up and I will see you guys next time.